So this is a prototype of the mechanics for the interactive bank, and this sort of shows how it would work. So what we've got here, this is a load cell, and this one is 5 kg, 5 kilograms. And this is attached to this this block of wood to keep it in place. So it's stuck in one place here. And then on this side, you've got a platform where a section of the bin would sit like that. So how this works, the load cell acts as a beam, and as it distorts when more weight is applied, it causes an electrical bridge circuit to change. Each section of the bank will have their own load cell and their own platform. So I know there's only one here, but imagine there would be 4 for the big thing. And again, they would be attached to this base here to hold them in place. I'm also using a differential ADC because the built-in analog to digital converters are not suitable for the sort of readings that we're doing. So just for reference, I'm using circuitsforyou.com just for help setting up this, and I downloaded the library from here, which is called HX711 Master, and I also will be using this calibration sketch here, which I'll show you now. Okay, so I'm running the sketch, and what I'm doing is calibrating the load cell. As you can see, I've just put this box on it here just to represent the section of the bin. So as you can see underneath, it's balancing on the platform here. So at the moment the reading is minus 0.001 kg, which is not what we want. Obviously we want it to 0. So we're going to change that by increasing or decreasing the calibration factor, and you can do that quite easily just by pressing different keys. So you can use A, S, D or F to increase it by tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. And you can do the same with Z, X, C and V, but to decrease it. So as you can see, as something was put in the bin, the reading changed, and it also tells you what time as well, which is quite cool. So yeah, you can see, I think it was here, that was when I started putting different like cans and tins into the bin. Yeah, so that's how it would work theoretically. You can see the time, there's a timestamp, tells you the new reading, and yeah. I've got some pros and cons about using Arduino. Obviously in a bigger scale, I don't know if it would work as well. Also, because it's made of wood, over time obviously this could be warped, which would ruin the readings. And also this platform wasn't very sturdy, so I think that kind of interfered as well. One other thing, I think my floor was also on an angle, which didn't really help, which kind of ruined the readings a little bit. I got them as accurate as possible, but I think there's probably better ways of doing this. If I had more time, I'd probably explore other ways to do it as well.